What is going on, guys? I figured I'd make a part 2 here real quick before it gets too late. I really can't wait for springtime. Just getting dark at 5 o'clock sucks. But anyways, that's it, up and running. You can kind of hear a slight hesitation. I'm pretty sure that OptiSpark. See, listen. Hear that? Up, 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 up. So, anyways, but I was doing some cleaning today, and as you can see, whoever had it before me upgraded all the lights to LED. If you look closely, I put a new stereo in. It's kind of a cheap one. I didn't want to buy that too expensive because for fitment, I was just trying to make sure everything was going to work good. And I got that stereo off of Amazon for under $100, guys. So, you know, if it's junk, no big deal. The whole purpose really was for fitment. And I still got to do a little bit more work there. But you can see right there, a little bit more LED lights down there. Kind of neat. She's going to need the seats redone. Come around and show you the other side. Not horrible. These Corvettes, you know, typical issues with the door panels and everything. Gonna have to do a few things there. What is that little guy? That don't look good. But went ahead and vacuumed it and so on. I don't think it's horrible. And again, for the money I paid for it. So, don't think that's shut. That's better. But, I keep finding all kinds of little hidden things. The guy really liked some place that sold this vinyl because he's got it wrapped around the shifter. And I'm not knocking him. Here's a back cover. He wrapped it. But then the speakers, check this out. He wrapped the speakers with that stuff. That had to affect the sound, wouldn't you think? So, anyways, here she is up and running. A little tour of her, cleaned up. Did you hear that? That power lock just clicked. But I think I'm just gonna have to go ahead and get ready to tear the front of the motor down and get that OptiSpark took out, because when you go to take off, it falls on itself real bad, and no fun. If you ease into it, it's okay, but who wants to ease into it with a Corvette? So there you guys go. So there's another little video of it up and running, and a little bit of cleaning in the stereo. So more videos to come, guys. Have a good one.